susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Kalat na kalat ang happiness dito sa Hoopsdome, Lapu-Lapu City! Dahil kay Ninong Manny at mas pasasahin pa tayo ngayong gabi, Nina Pepto at Miss Donna Cruz. Many prizes now!
Summer loving had me a pass.
Summer loving happened so fast.
I met a girl crazy for me.
I met a boy, cute as can be.
Summer days drifted away to other summer nights. Tell me more, did you get very far?
Tell me more, 'cause if he had a car.
She got my meat, she got a cry.
He ran by me, caught my suit jam.
I said alive, she nearly drowned.
He showed up, splashing around. Summer sun, something's been gone. Better on the summer nights. Well. Tell me more, was it love at first sight?
Tell me more than you could have a fight. I get chills in multiplying, and I'm losing control. 'Cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying.
'Cause I need a man, and my heart is set on you. You better shape up, you better understand. To my heart I must be true. You're all I want.
Oh yes indeed, you're what I want. You're indeed what I want.
Oh yes indeed, you're what I want. All out lagi sa pamimigay ng regalo at pamasahe. Mga kapusong Cebuano, get ready for Ninong Manny Pacman Pacquiao! Woo!
Hello! My youngest year, till this moment here, I never seen such a lovely queen. From the skies above to the deepest love, I never felt crazy like this before. Paint my love, you should paint my love
It's a picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand times. Baby, you should paint my love. Been around the world. Then I met you, girl. It's like coming home to a place I've known. Paint my love, you should paint my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand arms. Baby, you should paint my love. Paint my love. You should paint my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand arms. Baby, you should paint my love. Baby, you should paint my love. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, mga Lapu-Lapu City! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, Pilipinas! Ngayong gabi, tuloy ang laban ng mga Cebuano. Laban sa kantahan, siyempre, sino pa nga ba ang mga kasama natin? Sa Pusing Along, kundi Cebuana by Heart, Duna Cross! Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Pusing Along na tayo!
Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. Hopelessly devoted to you. You pushed my love aside, I'm not in my head, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you. Sinong kasama mo dyan?
Ayan, eto na. Kasama ko ngayon si Hera Chu ng Kantuman, Mandaue City. Oy, naghan kong parente diha, ha? Pagtarong, okay? Ready? Pakitaan mo si Ninong. Go!
I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. Baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you.
Oh, sandali lang. Halika, sige. Hera. Tumakbo ka na doon kay Ninong. Dahil tingnan natin kung merong manok itong si Moy Palaboy.
Yes, Pekto!
Ayos, Pekto!
Etong manok namin, Pekto, hindi ito umaayaw kasi kahit taga-inaayawan, Cebuto.
Oh, dito umaayaw dahil ito si Roxlyn Comentador. Okay, pakilala natin si Ninong.
Ayaw pag-ayaw kay Ninong nga.
But now
ngayon, taga San Nicolas, Cebu City. Nako, Cherries, magpakitang gilis ka na kay Ninong. Go!
My head is saying, forget him. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end. It's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you.
Takbo na kay Ninong!
There's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm not in my head, hopelessly devoted to you. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you.
Ang galing ng naapat na contest na natin. Ay, at 3 lang pala.
Sige, sali na lang
Okay,
ako.
apat!